Namaskar, myself, Dr. Kamla R. Nagar, Professor and Head, Department of Dravaguna, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to share my lecture on Hingu or Ferula narthex. Content of the lecture are: in general introduction, we will study in Latin name and family, morphology, properties, useful part and doses, and Ayurvedic preparations. This is the view of Hingu. Hingu or asafoetida is an ancient Indian culinary ingredient loaded with immense health benefits. Its powder with buttermilk is a very famous Indian home remedy for bloating. Hindi name is Hing, English name is asafoetida, Latin name is Ferula narthex or Ferula asafoetida, family is Umbelliferae. Ayurvedic properties of Hingu is: in Ras it is Katu, in Gun it is Laghu, Snigdha, Tikshna, in Vipak it is Katu, in Virya it is Ushna. Effect on Tirdosh it is Kaph and Vat Shamak and Pitta Utkleshak. Parts to be used is resin. Dose of this resin is not more than 125 to 500 mg. As per Bhojan Kotohalam, qualities are: according to Bhojan Kotohalam, as mentioned in the section of Sambhar, Hingu helps in treating vitiation of Vat and cough doses, bloating of the abdomen, colicky pain, and aggravates Pitta dosh. It is pungent in its post-metabolic effect, loosens the stool, is dry in nature, checks splenic disorders, flatulence, and hernia. Therapeutic indication of Hingu: it is Chedaniya, means scraps, channels; Deepaniya means carminative; Anuloman means restores normal movement of path, useful in blotting; Pachana means digestive; Tikshna means bearings or enters in deep tissues; Hridaya is good for heart or cardiotonic. It is very good natural blood thinning agent. It is also seen to be useful in high blood pressure. It is Pittavardhak or increases Pitta. Chakshusha is good for eyes, improves vision power. Stool, abdominal colicky pain; in a gulma or abdominal tumor or bloating; in udara or ascites; it is used in anaha or bloating; used in krami or worm infestations; used in vibhandh or constipation; or also used in adhaman. Adhaman is bloating, gaseous distension of abdomen. Side effects of Hingu is: overdoses may cause pitta increase, burning sensation, worsening of gastritis. It is not indicated in conditions with pitta dominance like gastritis. It is best to avoid its use during menstrual periods. It is best to avoid this in bleeding disorders. It has blood thinning effect, hence it may delay clotting. It is best to avoid this in children, pregnancy and lactation period. Treatment for overdose is: in case of poisoning caused due to Hingu, tamarind which is dissolved in water is given. Shitopchar, food and drink prepared from cold potency drugs are given, or administering ghee. The poisons caused due to Hingu will be cured. Thanks to share your time with me. If you find any difficulty to understand the topic, please comment in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thanks once again.